Today I'm going to show you how to play the riff from Le Freak by Chic. Alright, so you start with your first finger on the 5th fret of the 4th string. You pick 5, 7, the 3rd. Then bar the first 2 strings on the 5th fret. Pick it down, up. Right? Back to the 5th fret. You hammer on the 7th fret. Alright? So you pick the 5th fret. You just hit the 7th fret with your 3rd finger. Then you bar the 5th fret, the 3rd and 2nd string. Alright, down, up. Then 7 on the 4th, 5 on the 4th, 7 on the 4th. Okay, and then you bar with your 3rd finger, the 7th fret, the 2nd and 3rd strings. You're going to go down, mute, up, down, and then 5, bar this one, the 2nd and 3rd string. Alright? So it goes like this. It goes... Alright? There's a lot of little subtle mutes in there, so you got to go really slow, alright, until you get all the steps in order. So pick 5, 7, bar 5, right? Hammer on, bar here, and then 7, 5, 7, and then bar 7 here. Alright, and that just cycles. Bring it for a closer look here. So 5, 7 bar, 2 mutes, hammer on, 5, 7, bar with your 3rd. Alright, at speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, it might even be a little bit faster. It's like, freak out. Right, 1, 2, 3. Alright, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you have any requests, leave them in the comments. And if you'd like to show your appreciation, you can give an upvote or leave a comment. Thank you.